Let's move on and take a look at a bar chart. Bar charts are categorical and quantitative, meaning we're comparing the amount of different things in different categories. So comparing values among different categories, showing changes over a discrete set of categories, displaying data that does not require a continuous scale. So the ideal candidate for a bar chart might be something like total shark attacks by city. Okay, so total shark attacks by city. So once again, since I want a total, I need to create a new data frame that has totals. So I'm doing data frame group by city, summing using shark attacks and adding that as a sum. Change it to a data frame. So total shark attack by city is now a data frame. The next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to sort that data frame. So I'm going to create a new data frame based on this one. Okay, so I'm going to use total shark attacks by city and create total shark attacks by city sorted. And I'm going to say sort values shark attacks ascending, meaning lowest number of shark attacks to highest number of shark attacks. Finally, I'm going to create a bar chart using total shark attacks by city sorted. The x-axis, meaning the category, or this way, is going to be the number of shark attacks. And the city is going to be each bar vertically. So the bars are going to be horizontal. Orientation H, meaning horizontal orientation. I'm going to use city to generate each individual color. So each city is going to be its own color. There's the title. And I'm going to label each data point with city and shark attacks. So let's take a look at what this looks like when I run that. So there is total shark attacks by city. So Ocean City is the winner. If you want to move there, make sure you have your shark repellent. Honolulu, Laguna Beach, Miami, Daytona Beach, those seem to be safer. The worst place in California is Santa Cruz, apparently. So yeah, this isn't real data, by the way. I just manufactured this. But this shows shark attacks and cities. And just like the others, I can turn cities off and on here if I want to. I can also, let's say I just wanted to focus on part of this. If I drag and select, I can zoom in on just those cities. And when I export that, it's whatever the current view is. So I could do some really fast and easy calculations and changes. And if I want to reset that, I can just do it that way. So that allows me to look at that data in a different way, but this allows me to compare the shark attacks for each city. And when I hover over it, you can see it says the city and the shark attack number for that city. Okay. And that was over a 10-year period from 2010 through 2019. Okay, so that is a bar chart.